Our best estimates are these measures will be successful at the word is suppressing transmission. If they're lifted, and when they're lifted, transmission is likely to bounce back. Now, there may be in time other approaches we can take to keep case numbers low, but we are going to be living with this virus really this year, probably next year, until we have a vaccine. We know a lot about how these sort of viruses spread. We have lots of data from past epidemics, from influenza. Given how transmissible this virus appears to be, and the fact that at least all adults can be infected, we have much less data in children, then 60% is a reasonable figure for the epidemic size within the first 12 months or so.
I'm very well aware of the economic impact of this current policy, and we would all like these measures to be able to be relaxed as soon as possible.
I mean, generally the population adherence with these measures is higher than we had assumed, and we had to assume numbers. There's no prior evidence on these sort of measures. So we think we've brought transmission down. There's been effectively an 80 to 90% reduction in contacts between people in different households.
The social distancing rules are there for everyone, and they're incredibly important and they're deadly serious. And the reason is because they're the means by which we've managed to get control of this virus.
Should he be prosecuted?
Well, that you can imagine what my views are, but that is absolutely a matter.
I can't imagine. Tell me.
It's a matter for the police.
I think it's a sad situation that Professor Ferguson has resigned, as he said in his statement that he'd made a lapse of judgment and that the rules are unequivocal. They're there to protect us, the issues of social distancing, and that they remain firmly in place.
People shouldn't be breaking the rules. We need to stick with this lockdown. We supported this lockdown. And then we need to make sure that the government are doing all they can to save lives and minimise harm for the future.